Support the music. Now from music to the Intense 5, let's see what made the list.
Number 5.
Just 2 weeks after mind-blowing testimonies in the Diddy trial, Cassie delivered baby number 3. Congrats to her and hubby.
Number 4.
Looks like Riri might need to stick to makeup. Her song Friend of Mine lands at number 72 on the UK charts, her lowest chart debut in a decade. What do you think about the song?
Number 3.
Nicki Minaj says, "Don't rush me." She says she's not rushing her new album. She says it has to mean something because of the love and respect she has for music.
Number 2.
DJ Khaled in training. All I know is Khaled broke the internet. He teamed up with influencer Ashton Hall and they took off running. Literally. It was a lot to see, I'm not gonna lie. And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, Beanie Man's sold-out show in UBS Arena. It was another huge moment for dancehall, and we're very happy he didn't wear the white outfit he posted earlier in the day. As usual, Beanie gave an unforgettable performance. Zagazao. That's it for the Intense 5. Remember, for the latest in entertainment, you have to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense. Up next, Dragon Streets Festival launches and Show Crime talks music after a life-changing experience. Intense soon forward.